Okay, here we are in the next phase of this project. I am partitioning the bedroom off from the sitting room. I'm putting a wall up over here, and I had a problem. Up here I thought I had a stud going all the way across, so I could get my studs, my uprights to, but I didn't. So what I have to do is bring down 2x4. See, so I cut a slot here. I was just that little far off, about a good inch or so. Anyway, I'm putting a 2x4 on the beam going across, and that'll align right up with my upright here on the wall, so I can screw a board for the top plate. I have to do it across here, and I'm going to have to do partially down here and part way down to the down here too. Little things like that really piss me off. You know, it's an old house, and things aren't exactly where they should be all the time. Okay, I got part way done here. Going to do a lot more today. Today's going to be a good work day, productive day. That's what I say every day. Okay, here we go. I gotta move an outlet here. I want to move this switch right here, light switch that controls that light. I want to move it to over here. Anyway, that's for later. Okay, get to work, buddy. Alright, it's movie time here, and this is for the bedroom door divider. I just finished up putting up all the uprights, and they worked out the rough opening for the door. And I want to make a reminder myself. The rough opening is 32 by 76, and I have a right hinge. That's what I have planned for right now. I have to have it right hinge now. But anyway, this was a little difficult. You see a great big hole right there. By that, I'm going to put this in the wall. There was a switch here. I moved the switch from here over to here on the door that works the light over here. Alright. And then I had to work a wire from this 2x4. There's a 2x4 over here. I had to work a wire from here and go to here, and then up behind here is 2x4. So I had a hole drilled in here, going from this side of the 2x4, and I fished the wire through from there all the way to there. There's insulation and everything in there, so I had a fun time with that. That took a little while. And then I put up the uprights and everything here. And then there was an outlet here. I'm not really sure why I ended the outlet over here, but anyway, this is going to be sunken into the ceiling here too, and it'll be capped off. Anyway, and then I had to take and fish the wire from on top and over and through that hole there. So that wasn't too bad to do. That didn't take me much to do that. But anyway, I got it done. And now I'm going to be working on the closet enclosure that goes over here. However, this light right here is burning so bright. That's on a switch over here. And I am going to take and move that light and that switch too. I think I'll be moving that light to some place in the middle over here. That shouldn't be too bad. And that switch should will be someplace probably on the right or something like that. Somewhere in the closet, so we can turn on the light in there. and then those two outlets will stay in the closet, and that'll be fine. Right now I'm going to go downstairs, get something to eat, and go to the hardware store to get a couple things. We'll come back and start working. Alright, here we are. Okay, it's movie time here, and I've got building the closet here. I got some uprights over here. I have the door all framed out for the bedroom door. That's going to be the bedroom. I have to put uprights right along here yet, and I have to put my header up there. I have the uprights here for this closet. I have the header here. Now the closet doors are going to be kind of tall, so the ceiling is not level, so I really gave a lot of room for the door. The door is 80 inches. You have to have two, well, door is 78 3/4. And you have to have 2 extra inches for the railing and everything. So I gave this a lot of room. I went all the way up to the top of the ceiling for the header, and I can always make adjustments later on that if I have too much room. But anyway, here's where I am. Woo! Gotta watch where I step because I can be tripping all over shit here. Anyway, here's where I am today. It is Wednesday, sometime in June 2011. Around the 28th or something of June, 29th of June, somewhere around there. Okay, there we are. Alrighty, it is movie time. I just cleaned up my fantastic mess from what I just finished up. I have just finished up the closets. Now I have one closet here. This is a small closet on the end of a large closet. They're all framed up. So here's the large part of the closet. It'll go all the way over there, all the way over here, like that. And so big. And then this will be the door for the bedroom. I have that framed up. And here we're inside the closet now. We're supposed to be. And let's walk over here and see if we can get a shot. Here's a shot of what, as much as of a shot I can get of the closet here. It's going to be a big door right there, and there's a little small closet door. It'll be both the same thing, and there is the side of the closet there. So anyway, that's what I've accomplished so far. It took me quite a while because I had a lot of stuff to do. I had electrical things to move, and 2x4s, studs in back of the walls. I had to actually put in some like stud type of things in back of the wall onto a stud, so to extend it, like over here. Well, you can't see it. But anyway, I had to extend the stud so I could get that on there to the size we wanted. But anything is possible. And then, you know, of course, up on the joist on the ceiling up there had to be figured out, and spacing. And you can see that it's not, you know, not level. But once that's all finished up, that will, on the ceiling, you know, it's not level. Once it's all finished up, it'll be okay. Hopefully it'll look okay. Anyway, this is where we are right now. Yeah, I had to take a small, a 3/4 inch board up there. I'd like to hang, as far as I can tell that by measuring, I couldn't use a 2x4 header for that. I had to do the, well, we'll find out what's going to happen. I can always change that down the road here a little bit. Okay, this is where I am right now with the closet project. Alright, here we are. Okay, bye-bye. Almost forgot to make a movie of this, but I started putting up the drywall today, and as you can see, I just about have it halfway done. And we got over here, over there. Just gotta do this here, both sides. And this side pretty much all finished ready. Then I'll have to put insulation in, you know. I'm going to put insulation and then put up this side of the drywall. I really don't think I need a vapor barrier. I can't see why for the closet. So anyway, this is where I am right now. It won't be too long until I'm got all this up. Alrighty. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, got the some electrical that I moved around. Got a switch over here. This switch over here used to be right there. That switch used to be over there on that wall right there, controlling those two lights. So I moved that around. So I got that whole wall over there nice and empty. I put the switch for this light right here. Right here. What else did I move? I moved the switch for the bedroom light. It used to be right there. I moved it over to here. Just have to patch up them holes. So we're coming along okay, nicely. Here we go. Well, I've got the insulation all up here. Now over there. Insulation's up, and there was some insulation in there that I put up. And here's some insulation. And then around the corner over here, I also put up some insulation. Alright, it goes all the way up there and all the way down there. So now the next step is more drywall to do. And hopefully I should have this all done by today and start to put together the seams. And the doorway, yes, that's going to be until later. We'll figure that out with the length and all that, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. Alright, there you are. Alright, this is the last movie I think that I'm going to make while I'm here this time. Today is July the 5th. Yeah, yesterday was the 4th, 2011. And what I'm looking at right now are the closets that I just did. And the doorway that will be going into the bedroom is right here. This will be the bedroom. Put the fan in the window. There's the wall. There's one of the patches I had to do. I had one down there, and a small one right there. A patch right up here. I had a patch right there. One patch up on the ceiling. And what's that? You had a small patch up here. And right here I had to patch this because I moved that. This lamp was right over here, and this switch was right over there. Okay, and right up there, for some reason I had put a outlet. It was the end of the wire, I think. So I just stuck an outlet on it. And I was here doing that work. And that patch right here on the wall controls light, but I moved the switch right over here. I put a new outlet here. So you have outlets all over the place. Anyway. And the next time I get here, I'll clean down and knock off all the high spots. And I'll tape this seam tape over the seams. And start to build a coat on here. And a couple coats. And then after that,